Hello, families. This is Mama Risa. I'm so happy to be talking to you right now because I got some exciting news. Not only did enrichment start this weekend, our kids started with self-defense. They have it today, which was Tuesday and Thursdays. Then on Friday, we have drama. You know, we're a performing arts center, and we use the arts to build character, confidence, and self-esteem. So stay tuned for our winter production. But guess what? We have just partnered with Metro Atlanta Farms, and they are going to coach us in the process of building our fall garden. But we have a master gardener. Her name is Coach Coco, and she is a part of our team, and she's going to teach our children how to garden, how to plant. And we're planting an herb garden and a vegetable garden, and then we're going to have a whole fall. We may not be fall because I don't know when the thing's going to come up out the ground and stuff, but whatever it happens, we're going to have a time that we're going to come together as a family, and we're going to look at what our kids were able to learn in our gardening club. So stay tuned and listen. Coach Coco has something she wanted to share with us.
Hello, this is Coach Coco, and the reason why I like gardening is because I got started one year with my grandkids, and we didn't know what we were doing. We threw the seeds down in the ground, they sprouted and didn't do anything. So we had to do a little research and asking around, and it all came together. The kids were able to harvest and eat what they grew. So it was very rewarding to me, and I just fell in love with gardening. So here I am, Coach Coco, here to help the kids at the Youth Life Center start their fall garden. And I think it's so special because when a kid grows a carrot, they tend to eat carrots. So I'm excited about this experience. I'm excited about being involved with this. We all about to get together and grow some stuff. I'm out.